Hello everybody and welcome to our channel, Urban Subnet. Today we're going to kind of jump right into getting into some more of this AI. There's a lot of AI out there, artificial intelligence. There's 450 AI startups in the mix right now that we know of, and there's probably even more out there. So AI is becoming big, and it's becoming a big thing in our lives. We have been using AI in some form for a long time, but now we have AI that understands us, and we have a language software that can actually talk to us. So we all been, I've done some videos on Chat GPT already, and a lot of the abilities and advantages of having Chat GTP when you want to write things or when you want to respond to email. It could even help you make pictures, write music, just so many things. I mean, you can ask it anything and see what kind of response you get. Sometimes you can drill down even deeper into the response. It gets even more detailed. So that's Chat GTP, but Google has Bard, and Bard is on the website bard.google.com. We'll put the link for that below for you. But Bard is pretty much the same thing. So what we're going to do is we're just going to sign up for it. We're on the website. It says Bard Experiment, and it says Try Bard. So we're going to click here. It gives us the terms, privacy terms, configuration settings, things to know, terms of service. Bard uses your location and past conversations to provide you with the best answer. Okay, so it does use your location and past conversations. So if you want to use it, you go to I agree. We click I agree, and it tells you Bard is an experiment. As you try Bard, please remember Bard will not always get it right. Okay, so we understand that. Bard will get better with your feedback. Please rate responses and flag anything that may be offensive or unsafe. Okay, so they have that there. Stay updated on Bard improvements. Opt in to receive email updates about Bard. Your personal data will be processed by Google. Okay, so you can opt in to receive emails as well. We're going to skip that part. My email box gets a lot of emails already. Okay, so it says on Bard, your creative and helpful collaborator. I have limitations and it won't always get it right, but your feedback will help me improve. Not sure where to start? You can try. Can you give me landscape? And so it gives you a couple of questions here to get you started. So we can go down here to the prompt down here, and let's just type a question. When was I might not spelled Apollo correct, but I think it will figure it out. And there, here we go. It tells us when Apollo 13 was launched on April 11th, 1970. So it can tell us that. Okay, so can it tell us can you tell me about all right, let's just, can you tell me how to get a driver's license? All right, so it's very similar to Chat GTP. These programs are language learning programs. And I can see over here that Bard sees I'm in North Carolina, so it has that on there as well. So I'm going to ask it, can you write computer code? Okay, so it gives us some Python examples and some Java. So it can write computer code. Okay. me a okay, we want to draw a picture of the moon with an orange background. Let's see what we get there. Let's see if Bart can draw us a picture. Now let's chewing on that one. All right, so I did put something here. Image of the moon with orange background. Use code with caution. Learn more. The moon is crescent shaped and is surrounded by orange glow. The background is deep blue, and there are a few stars scattered about. I hope you like it. And I guess where it says explore response, if we click there, that says exports to doc, code snippet. So I'm learning as I go here. So I don't see the picture unless, oh, it says code. Maybe it sent me some code of the moon. Okay, all right, so let's see if we can, let's reset the chat. All right, that's good. We're gonna reset, and then we're gonna say hello. The moon. So I'm asking for a picture of the moon. Okay, so it showed me a picture of the moon. Can you give it a blue background? Oh, okay. Moon with blue background. So they actually made the moon blue, but okay. All right, so Bard is very smart, just like ChatGPT. I mean, I'm just scratching the surface here. There's probably 1,000 other things you could put in here and get questions for. Let's do a I did cookie recipes already, so we don't want to do that. We don't want to do cookie recipe. Can you write me a 5-question exam on 7th grade math? All right, so let's see. Are you smarter than the 7th grader? The store sells a shirt for $15. The store offers a 20% discount on the shirt. What is the final price of the shirt? Okay, so see, there you go. A recipe calls for 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, half cup of butter. How many cups of ingredients are needed to make the recipe? Oh, so it's definitely puts out a nice little exam. So what I'm going to do is ask Bard to answer its own question. Let's see what it comes up with. If you're like me, you would need a calculator to figure that out. So it's so let's just do what is the price. So it says the final price of the shirt is $12. Okay, so I just wanted to see, Bard, it didn't ask for a lot to sign up. You can try it. Looks like you can get online and try it, but you can't actually open an account. So we're going to put the link in the chat below, and we'll keep working and doing some more things with Bard. I want to thank you for viewing my video. You have a good day.